My name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you a function with three examples. So let's begin. Here we have first example. So in this we have income of rupees 5,000 and expense of rupees 2,000. We all know we have a profit of 3,000. So let's calculate, but what we are doing here, we are doing loss also. If suppose for a sake of simplicity our expenses would be 6,000, then in that case our loss would be 1,000. So let's compute with if function. So if function, here we have if, here we have three arguments: logical test, value if true, and value if false. Logical test means what do you want to analyze? So I want to analyze whether my income is greater than my expense. Now, logical test would produce two answers, either yes or either false. In case of true, you need to put the value here. What do you want in case of true? So I want, in case of true, there would be profit. Otherwise, I want loss. But what if, in that case, where income and expense would be same, then this example would produce loss because we have only put the greater than symbol. So we need to put equals here, greater than equal to. Now press enter. So here we have 5,000 income and expense of rupees 2,000. So if our expenses would be higher than my income, then here would automatically loss, and if my income would be equals to my expense, then there would be profit word. Okay, now let's compute the profit amount here. So profit amount would be this minus this. Is that right? Let me show you. 6,000. Hey, loss, but loss can't be negative. Loss negative denotes it is profit, so it is totally wrong. We need to put this figure into positive. So in that case we need to put a function again. If my income is greater than my expense, now you can do calculation over here also. So if your profit, if your income is greater than your expense or equal to your expense, then your profit would be this minus this, else your loss would be this minus this. So close the parentheses and press enter. So the loss would be 1,000. Now this will produce correct answer in every scenario. So our expenses would be 3,000, then our profit would be 2,000 positive. Let's begin with second example. So here we have salary of 5 lakh rupees and bonus of rupees 10%. So my boss has said that if I will achieve my sale is greater than 10 lakh during the year, then I would get 10% of my sale also with my salary. So let's begin with a function. If my sale would be greater than 10 lakh, then I would get salary as well as bonus also. So bonus would be this multiply by this, close the parentheses, else I will get my only salary. So close the parentheses and enter. In that case, I have achieved only 10 lakh sales, so I am getting my 5 lakh salary. What if I will achieve 13 lakh salary? So 13 lakh sales, then my salary would be 6 lakh 30,000 in the in that year. Let's begin with instance number 3. Now I want to segregate negatives here from here. I don't want to pick positive numbers. You can use if function also. If this is less than 0, then I want this figure, otherwise I want nothing. So for nothing you need to put double quotes. So close the parentheses and enter. So here we have positive number, so here we have blank. Let's copy it down and paste it down. So here we have negative, 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 negative. Since if function is purely dynamic, so if we convert this figure into positive, then it will automatically remove that number. So we have got the instance over here. So keep enjoying and keep learning.